Type your text. Adjust the tracking to make the text overlap. You can also set the kerning to adjust the space between individual letters. Select the selection tool. Go to the Appearance panel. Click on the FX icon. Pathfinder. Trim. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. Use a negative amount for the offset. You can adjust the text while keeping the effect. And that's how you create overlapping text.